Next, I will show you how to install the Xiaote box main control unit on the old Model Y. Open the car system settings and find Safety. Scroll to the bottom and click Power Off to turn off the vehicle power. Now, we need to remove the right front door sill trim. First, peel off the rubber seal strip. Lift it up and set it aside. Remove the two trim panels on the side. For the side trim, use the pry tool and insert it into the gap to remove it. There are two clips at the top that need to be loosened. Continue prying from the inside to remove the panel. There are 3 clips in total. Use the pry tool at the designated points to release the clips. Now remove the front trim panel using the pry tool. Twist and pull outward to remove it. If it's too tight, use your fingers to pull it out gently. There are clips inside. If one falls out, find it and reinsert it. If it drops into a hole, just retrieve it and reinstall. These white clips usually fall from this position during removal. If it drops into a hole, just retrieve it and reinstall. Now remove the door sill strip. First, use the pry tool to remove the expansion bolt. Do not force it out directly. Lift the center part first. Once the center is out, you can pull it out directly. You only need to remove the front half of the door sill strip. Pull it backward from the side carefully. Avoid scratching the trim panel. After pulling out, bend it slightly to the side. Be gentle to avoid cracking the trim. There is another clip inside. Use the pry tool to release it. Next, flip the foam cover inward. Now locate the connector for installation. Disconnect the 2 upper and lower plugs. There's another blue plug inside, color may vary. This empty plug is where we connect the new harness. Take out the harness and disconnect the plug. Connect the small plug to the corresponding port. Then plug in the bottom part as well. Next, insert the plug into the blue connector on the side. The remaining plug is reserved for electric doors if installed. If your vehicle has it, unplug the original and plug into the new harness. After installing the control box, turn on the dashboard to test. If everything works, proceed to reassemble to avoid repeated disassembly. Tuck the wiring into the gap on the side. Flip the foam panel back. Reinsert the expansion clip. Make sure the center pin is pulled out before inserting. Insert the lower part of the trim panel into the slot first. Then press the side trim back into place. Align it with the hole and push to secure. Reinsert the second expansion bolt. Now the trim is reinstalled. If the clip fell off earlier, retrieve and insert it back into place. When installing the trim, insert the lower clip first. There are 2 side clips that also need to go into the holes. After aligning the upper and lower parts, press the top clip in. Install the triangle trim panel by aligning the 3 clips. Finally, reposition the rubber seal strip. The installation of the control box is now complete.